For you to have good goals, you can use a tool that is called the SMART goal. SMART would mean SMART. And I'll talk to you about SMART in just a bit. Okay. The S in SMART means specific. And what you want to do, you must know exactly what you want to achieve. You must be detailed about it. You must have a good understanding of how you want to get that thing done. You have to be very, very specific about what you want to do. The M in SMART is measurable. What you want to do must be measurable. You must know when you start, when you've gotten halfway, and when you have concluded what you want to do. You must be able to measure it. It's critical. And the A in SMART is achievable. What you want to do must be achievable. You must be able to accomplish it. It must be something that you have the resources to do. You are not constrained from doing it. It's not illegal. Okay, so it must be achievable. And the R in SMART is relevant. That means what you want to do must be relevant to your vision. So your goals must be relevant. So say that the sum total of your goals must add up to your vision. That is what it means that when you say it's relevant. And the T in SMART is time bound. You must have specific time frames to those things you want to do. And that is how you can set goals. So any goal you set must follow or meet the SMART standard.